market's getting a little bullish again. We got crypto phones back. What is a crypto phone? Why may you be interested in this one? And why did one of the last crypto phones turn out to be the most randomly lucrative phone buy? Have you ever bought a phone and then been paid to have it? I didn't think so, unless you bought that one, which we'll explain. Hey, I'm Vosk. You're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm talking about the Solana phone, and now we got this new ultimate DePIN phone. And what does that mean, and is it really opportunity? Vincent, our incredible video editor here at VoskCoin, he grabbed the Solana phone. I was like, dude, you're a madman. And then he ended up with all these cryptocurrency token airdrops, earning thousands of dollars, especially when some of these tokens were valued ridiculously. Stay tuned to the end of this video to get Vincent's breakdown on that phone. Is he pre-ordering the new Solana Mobile too? This is the XForge, which boasts being the first ultimate DePIN phone by XProtocol. Thank you to them for making today's video possible. There's a founders tier, lower price, free shipping, and the first 3,000 include one Xardian node, which is apparently worth $155. The public sale is about to start, and when you're watching this video, if you're a subscriber with notifications on, which means you're the best, then you'll be basically alerted right on time by the time I record this and we get it through editing and get it published here on the channel. What makes this phone up? Android, 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage, dual nano SIM card, an octa-core CPU, HD Plus, okay, and a 5,000 mAh fast charge 18 watt iPhone 16 Pro battery specs. Let's compare that to the Apple iPhone 16 Pro. 3582 mAh, and the Pro Max is a pretty close battery size to the Xforce phone that we're looking up here. These batteries, lithium ion, supporting charging up to 25 watts. Just a random thing to get some perspective, right? So airdrops from top tier projects listed on tier 1 exchanges. Yep. The Solana phone set a crazy precedent for crypto phones getting token airdrops. You can also run the XProtocol Xardian node from your XForge phone, and if you do it that way, you'll receive 20% bonus rewards. Running a node is basically, it depends how it goes, but you either buy a key for a node, you run a program or an app, or you stake some coins or whatever, and you get rewarded in cryptocurrency tokens for it. So that's the short of it. 10% of Kick, which is a token supply, will be allocated to XForge owners. What is that worth? TBD. All right. Earn a free node for every 10 devices purchased through your referrals. We've got a referral link. We also get 5% commission on the sale. So maybe support us by using our link and code here in today's video. And then if you got 10 buddies, maybe you refer 10 buddies under you and you get a free node. The top 10 users with the highest uptime win token rewards every month. So that's pretty cool. A performance bonus, right? Looking at their leaderboard, they're taking referrals serious, right? We see that whoever this is has referred 139 people. Going down the list, 64, 51, 50, and then all you have to do is refer 5 people to be on the front page. That's not impossible, but it's hard to even get people to go to the movies or out to dinner with you sometime, or even to hop on the old Nintendo Switch and get around a Mario Party in. So convincing them to drop $299 on a phone that's yet to be released, yeah, it can be an endeavor. There's a lot of unknowns with this project. This is not an endorsement and all that disclaimer stuff. But let's run through the FAQ. Some of these things we've already covered, so I won't be redundant and I will not read them. This pre-order date is wrong. It's actually, I guess it was pushed back a week there. And shipping will apparently already be in Q1 2025. That's not that far away. Like I said, free shipping for the first 10,000 devices. After that, $30 flat fee. And they also say this excludes any additional fees like customs duties and taxes. But the way that's written kind of sounds like they're picking that up no matter what for the first 10,000 devices. Surprisingly, they accept credit cards, at least for now, and cryptocurrencies. How do you earn rewards? By running the Xardian node in X4, you earn XKick tokens, which you can convert to Kick later, and that 20% bonus. You'll apparently receive your node within 2 weeks of your purchase date. That Kick token is the native token of the XProtocol ecosystem. It's used for transactions, rewards, and incentives there. What are the perks of running a Xardian node? You earn Kick rewards, obvious, but you also get a share of the sequencer fees, and you contribute to securing the XProtocol network, which you essentially end up with a vested interest in because you own an XProtocol network phone. You can track your node's performance within your XForge device. That would be expected, but it's good to have that spelled out here. Can you transfer the node? Apparently that will be enabled 1 year after the sale. I've seen a lot of things like that, and that's not something I would personally bank on. But hey, they're guaranteeing future ecosystem airdrop opportunities. We'll see. Oh. I'm vibing with this. So we've been all focused on the Xforge phone, but like, what the fuck is XProtocol, right? Near zero gas network, hyperfast EVM, right? Ethereum virtual machine, backed by numerous investors. You may recognize some of these names, boasting a pretty big list of partners. Most of these names don't stick out to me, but some of them do. Cutting edge solution with a phone, crafted with precision. So there's Smash Quest and Wonderbits. Both are playable on Telegram. The first thing I think about though when I see this, right, I'm thinking, I'm seeing Pokemon. This looks like a straight Pokemon rip, and that gets me excited. I think Pokemon's a lot of fun. Looking at their light paper, I appreciate the straightforwardness in this. And it's an entertainment-focused DePIN super chain supported by backers, built on a robust base layer 2. So XProtocol is actually layer 3. There's Ethereum, and then there's the base, which is the Coinbase blockchain, right? Layer 2 solution built on top of Ethereum. And XProtocol said, let's take it another step. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce you to layer 3. Obviously, they're not the first to layer 3, but we really don't see layer 3s all that often. A lot of talk, hype about the token. Well, what are the tokenomics? Okay, 5% strategic round, 20% to nodes, 20% to team and advisors, 10% to liquidity, 10% to XForge DePIN, 18% to the community and ecosystem, and 17% to the treasury. So what that really translates to, if the liquidity is locked forever, we could say that's a bit different, but let's say that they have full control of the liquidity. So that's 30%, right? 35% plus 17%, which is 52%. And then they basically have another 18%, bringing them to basically 87 to 70% of coins at their disposal. And of course, team members I would be expecting to be getting the phones, getting a piece of that, running the nodes, getting a piece of that, and so forth. It's pretty typical for tokens to be very centralized, and this is. But again, most people don't even understand that or look at that, and then they're just completely at the mercy of the powers that be. So let's look at these active nodes per month. And we look at the token price and the potential rewards there, right? So let's say we've got 5,000 nodes, and then the coin price is worth 5 cents. That would equate to $330 of monthly rewards per node. Is this realistic? Honestly, no idea. You can make up all these scenarios, but without seeing, at a minimum, the sale performance, it's really hard to say. If 10,000 of these nodes fly off the shelf, that could show a lot of interest in this project, which could bring the price up. Again, who knows? So this is the phone, this is the order page. We've got our code VoskCoin. Doesn't seem like it's working before the sale goes live. That's fine, that's whatever. You can pay with crypto with this button. You can pay with fiat with this button. And we see that it's $500 phone, $299 here. And all you have to do is basically pay, where's your node going, email address, shipping information, and agree. I also encourage you to read the terms and conditions. I'm not going to go through that because I encourage you to do it yourself. So, Vincent, what do you think?
So, why are these devices interesting? because kind of like mining, it connects the digital with the physical, which is fun. And also, it's a way, some countries you can't just buy crypto, or you can buy crypto with a credit card, but you can often buy these devices with a credit card. So it's kind of a loophole for getting into the crypto ecosystem. And also, I think when you have a device, you get more involved what is going on the device. So like, this is a Solana phone, you're watching the Solana ecosystem and all that kind of stuff. And well, the meme frenzy was kind of fun. So now you got all kinds of meme phones. Meme phone is the meme phone. Now you got all kinds of meme coins on your phone, which I may have never bought if I was just trading. So that's cool. And this is more, this is the Exodus HTC. So that's more of a hardware wallet type of thing. Also fun to learn about hardware wallets and that kind of stuff. If you think about it, a node, lots of nodes for crypto you can run on your computer. But yeah, why not on a phone? I mean, they're powerful enough. And do you turn your phone off ever? Maybe even less than your normal computer. So it could be a way to decentralize your nodes, and you are contributing to the network. And it's pretty crazy to buy a device like a phone, and then the value you get in return is potentially, and in the Solana phone it was and is more than the cost of the phone itself, which is insane and crazy and only possible in crypto, I think. Will a node on a phone take off? Well, it's an interesting idea. And if the project is good, it could be worth it. So, but that's always the gamble. How is it?
So hey, I'm Vosk. You're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Let me know your thoughts on everything we talked about down in the comments below. This is Tails, our CCO, our Chief Communications Officer here at VoskCoin. We take C titles with the utmost seriousness and just absolute importance here. Hope you subscribe. I hope to see you on the next video.